Say action.
Rolling. Action.
All right, everybody, here's what we're going to do. We need to find three things in this vehicle. Constant 12 volts. We need to find a wire that has 12 volts when the key is turned to the on position. And for this particular vehicle, I need to find a start wire. So I've got my meter set to the DC voltage side. Here's my probe. I've got a good ground right here. Good piece of metal in the vehicle. So I've already got something in the vehicle. I'm going to test it anyhow. I hook up my probe, I press into it. I've got 12.4 volts. So that's good. That's our constant 12 volts. Next thing we need to find is something that's powered again when the key is turned on, known as ignition. I've got a green wire here. I got a black one. Let's try the green one. I plug into the green one. I've got 0. When I turn the key on, 11.8, 11.76, that's fine, no worries at all. Let's start this thing up and see what the voltage does. Drops down a little bit, battery might be a little bit weak, that's okay. When the vehicle's running, you see we got 13.8 and it's climbing, so the vehicle's getting a good charge. We turn it off, we have 0. Last but not least, I want to find the wire that we need to hit. That's the actual start wire, which I'm testing a black one underneath in this 03 Mitsubishi. You see I've got 0 voltage. I'm going to turn the key to the on position. Okay, I've got a little tiny bit of voltage going through. Let's see what happens when I crank it. Went up to 9.22. That's the meter caught it. So what was happening was 12 volts was energizing the starter relay, and we actually caught that on the meter. So that's our basic 3 wires for right now. Next we've got a ground connection right here. We can self-tap into this metal for the perfect ground connection on the vehicle.